Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about UserInfo class methods. So UserInfo class is a class provided by Apex through which we can get various information about the current user from our org. So the current user who have logged into the org, we can get information about that user with the help of this class methods. So the first method here is getDefaultCurrency and it returns the context user's default currency code for multiple currency organization or the organization's currency code for single currency organization. So if your org is having multiple currencies, so it will give the default currency of the logged in user. And in case if your organization is having the single currency, then it will return the org currency code with the help of this method. GetFirstName returns the context user's first name. getLanguage returns the context user's language. getLastName returns the context user's last name. getLocale returns the context user's locale. getName returns the context user's full name. The format of the name depends on the language preference specified for the organization. getOrganizationId returns the context organization's ID and that is same for all the users of the org. getOrganizationName returns the context organization's company name. getProfileId returns the context user's profile ID. getSessionId returns the session ID of the current session. getTimeZone returns the current user's local time zone. getUiTheme returns the preferred theme for the current user. There is a getUiThemeDisplayed method as well. So you should use that method to determine the theme actually displayed to the current user, and that is the next method. So it actually returns the theme which is being displayed for the current user. getUserEmail returns the current user's email address. getUserId returns the context user's ID, which is the current user itself. getUserName returns the context user's login name. getUserRoleId returns the context user's role ID. getUserType returns the context user type, and isMultiCurrencyOrganization specifies in true and false whether the organization uses multiple currencies. So it's pretty much of talk about the methods, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are on our developer console and let's quickly create a class where we are going to use the UserInfo methods. So you can see I have created a UserInfo1 class. I want to tell you a point of caution over here. Don't ever create a UserInfo class by yourself, because UserInfo is a predefined class, and in case if you will create a UserInfo class in your org, then all these methods can't be used, right? So UserInfo is a predefined class, so don't create any UserInfo class by yourself, and that's why I have created UserInfo1. All these methods are static methods, hence you need not to create any object of UserInfo class, and you can directly call these methods by the name of the class itself. So there is nothing much to talk about it. Let's quickly run this program and see the output. So I'm calling UserInfo1.show method over here, clicking on execute and clicking on debug only, and you can clearly see the default currency for the current user is USD. First name and last name is Amit and Kumar, and that's why name is displayed as Amit Kumar. The user's language is English US. The user's locale is English US. This is the org ID of our org. This is the company name for our org. This is the profile ID for the current user profile. This is the time zone of our current user. This is the theme name, the UI theme, which is theme 3. And for current user, the displayed theme is the same theme itself. So hence it is theme 3. You can go to your org and check this certain theme. This is the user email. This is user ID. This is the user name. We haven't selected any specific role for our current user, and hence the role ID is coming null. And if you will select a specific role, you will get the role ID of that. This is a standard user, and hence the user type is standard. And we haven't enabled multiple currency in our org, hence it is displaying false. So guys, that's it for this specific video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.